INNOLINE, step-by-step installation. Step 1. Getting ready. All you need is a drill and a tape measure. Before starting, make sure you have a full roof deck without any battens and give the surface a clean. Step 2. Positioning the sheets. First, position all the sheets on the roof according to the plan. Don't fix them yet. Always work in the opposite direction to the wind. Starting at the bottom of the roof, line up the edges with a maximum 2 cm overhang at the eaves. You can leave a gap of up to 10 cm at the top and 4 cm at the side. The finishing elements will cover it. Step 3. Fixing the sheets. Start by fixing the center of the sheet, leaving the overlap areas free and make sure you don't screw the sides and top edges at this stage. For the best results, use Onduline screws with an integrated seal. Fix them at the crest of the corrugation, not the dips, without over-tightening. Before fixing the last corrugated section of each sheet, overlap the adjacent sheets by at least 1 corrugation, vertically and horizontally. You can increase the overlap so you don't have to cut the sheet. If you do wish to cut the sheets, use a standard saw, then continue fixing each sheet one by one. Step 4. Final touches. Once you fix both sides, it's time to fit the verge trims on the end sheets. Overlap each trim by 15 cm, with a wider side facing up. Align the verge screws with the screws on the sheets. First along the sides, then on top. Finish with a ridge cap, overlapping each section by 15 cm, and screwing it down at the crest of each corrugation. For a neat finish, add a decorative wooden piece at the ends of the ridge caps. Good job, you're done. Now you've built up your roof, it's time to chill out. INNOLINE comes in 3 colors to suit any project. It's easy to install, built to last, and great value for money.